Let me show you how I made this beautiful synth card in PowerPoint. Yes, PowerPoint I meant. This was actually designed using PowerPoint. It's just a trick that you need to learn. Slide into my comment section. Let me show you how this is made. You can even make something beautiful like this. Just on your PowerPoint, insert on the blank layout, insert your normal rectangle. Then look for the curvy line. Look for the curvy line. Just draw something like this just to carve out that shape. It depends on the kind of shape you want. You can make yours zigzag, and I will be making that of zigzag after this. I will be making that of zigzag after this. Just tell me which brand of product do you want us to advertise, and I promise you we will do. Then having done this, see the shape. That's the shape we are looking for. Then select the two shapes, the new shape and our rectangle. Just select the two. Then go to your format, then match shape. Go to your match shape and select fragment. Fragment. Yeah, the one in the outer, click it and delete it. We don't need it. As you can see, we are going to open the window now. Yeah, let the window be open. As you can see, the window is open. Then the next you need to do is just to format the two sides with your preferred color. This is where I started from. As you can see, this is the color, the blue, the deeper blue and the yellow. Then I go in with the write up, whatever you need to write about, just go in with it using your text box. Using your text box, see it here, ZBs, synth. Then after that, bring in every picture, every image, all the image you need to work with. Just bring them in, just like you see. Just bring them in, position them. If you need to rotate them anyhow you want it. Just make sure you bring in all and send it to the back. After which, duplicate your slide. Once you duplicate your slide, then on the second slide, which where our window will be open, slide the window to the left a bit. Slide it to the left a bit so that it will show that um the window is opening. And for the animation effects for the text, as you can see, I'm actually designing it. Just watch. It has to do with your own creativity. However you want this. This is what I want. This is what I intend to achieve from the second slide. Remember, we are working with the second slide now. We are working, then our window needs to open, and let us bring out all our images. Please do well to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the notification button so that you'll be the next the first person to see our next slide, our next content whenever we drop it. As you can see, just drag it in the manner you want it to appear. That's all you need. That's just all you need. Bring everything out at this junction. Yeah, yes, that's just it. As you can see, everything is out at this junction. Beautiful, isn't it? Beautiful. Then the next thing you need to just do is to select the two slides and go into your transition and select morph transition. Just select your morph transition, okay? Then the next you see is the result. Isn't this beautiful? This is nice. As you can see, a reminder, remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We love you even as you help our brand to grow. Bye bye.